Studies have shown that we like sheep are prone to shove fatal doses of malcontent through osmosis. But don't be sympathetic, just pass the anaesthetic, 'cause sheep are benign, and on the young we will dine. Burn her pale blue shroud and tread on her bones. The dean of the boys club crowd reveals we've always been clones. Oh, this being true, you know there's more than just two. In the cards are 4 aces, so turn and shoot at 12 paces. Studies have shown that we like sheep are prone to shove fatal doses of malcontent through osmosis. But don't be sympathetic, just pass the anaesthetic, 'cause sheep are benign, and on their young we will dine. Burn her pale blue shroud and tread on her bones. The dean of the boys club crowd reveals we've always been clones. Oh, this being true, you know there's more than just two. So tie up your laces for the gene pool race of races.